The Grand Automaton, a marvel of brass and ingenuity, stood ready to embark on its diplomatic mission. Its gears whirred softly, a promise of the journey ahead. The cobblestone streets of Ethelberg buzzed with anticipation as the automaton arrived. Citizens lined the streets, their faces a mixture of awe and curiosity. Inside the grand hall, diplomats from across the land gathered. The air crackled with tension as the automaton prepared to deliver its opening address. The automaton's voice, a synthesized baritone, echoed through the hall. It spoke of unity, cooperation, and the shared future of all nations. A murmur rippled through the assembly as the automaton unveiled its first proposal, a universal energy source powered by steam and ingenuity. Outside, a storm gathered. Dark clouds rolled in, mirroring the growing unease within the hull. A shadowy figure lurked in the corridors, their face hidden by a wide-brimmed hat. Their intentions were unclear, but their presence was unsettling. The automaton presented its second proposal, a network of airships to facilitate trade and communication between nations. The shadowy figure planted a small ticking device near the base of the automaton. The device pulsed with an ominous red light. Suddenly, the grand hall plunged into darkness. The lights flickered and died, plunging the diplomats into chaos. The automaton, powered by its internal generator, emitted a soft blue glow. It moved swiftly through the darkness, searching for the source of the disturbance. The shadowy figure lunged at the automaton, a gleaming dagger in their hand. The automaton deflected the dagger with its brass arm, sparks flying as metal clashed against metal. A fierce struggle ensued, the automaton's strength pitted against the shadowy figure's agility. The automaton, with a surge of power, disarmed the shadowy figure and pinned them to the ground. The lights flickered back on, revealing the shadowy figure to be a disgruntled inventor, driven mad by jealousy of the automaton's success. The automaton, with a hint of sadness in its synthesized voice, expressed pity for the inventor's plight. The diplomats, shaken but unharmed, renewed their commitment to unity and cooperation. The grand steampunk automaton Diplomat, its mission tested but not broken, continued its journey, a beacon of hope in a world teetering on the brink of war.